like
You're in your
late
early
10s, 20, early 20s.
We're only getting like 20 FPS with this.
Oh, that's not good.
Ding ding. Alright, I just pooed.
So weird.
I'm gonna eat my own poo. You ready? Nom 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 nom. So should I should start clickbaiting?
Hashtag shit happens.
Start clickbaiting everyone. I should be like, I die in real life. But how'd you post the video? I died. Ding ding. I wonder if it's still like I like my headphones. Why is it freaking out at the bottom? Get that looked at. Gonna start beatboxing for me, Mikey? Come on, Mikey, start beatboxing. Boom, 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 boom.
That's called
boom.
moaning while beatboxing.
Oh. You're a
Nice.
golden turd. That's his name, Golden Turd.
Oh.
Oh, good God.
Get him.
Go hunt the giant.
Go on.
Come here, bitch. Come here, little bitch. Player 112940365 016.
There is no 365.
Oh. Ah!
Oh, so he got it. Oh, you're top six. You're top 6 right now.
Oh, just eat everyone.
You're 7th. You're now you're 6th. Oh my god. It's like only 10 players in this game.
It felt so good when I did it, though. Oh, I almost killed myself. I got distracted with my keyboard. I'm like, I'm just gonna be a gentle giant, Mikey.
Okay.
What does my F button do?
Find out. Yeah.
What? How is this a power up? This is how the game should be played. It shouldn't be just a power up. No! Congratulations, you're level 15, you dummy.
At least you're level 15.
Need some something in life.
What was that?
I don't know. I'm gonna go hide in it. You can't see me. Oh, you can't run. They can see me. Balls, bitch. Oh, I mean, socially awkward female dog. What's
Who won?
Come here, 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 come here. Oh, you feel slightly tired? I don't feel tired. No!
Ah, Felix, you're in 8th.
I'd like to see how you think this it plays. I'm between two giants. What do I do?
Kill him. Oh, that's the number 1 or number 3 player. Get him, get him, get him, get him. Oh, he's gonna trap you. Never mind. Fall back, Felix.
No, I'm not falling back.
Dude.
I'm not falling back.
You're gonna die.
I'm not doing it.
Oh, don't do it.
No!
Oh, don't do it.
No!
Ah!
I'm not going back.
Dude.
You're mine.
You know what? Rush him, rush him, rush him.
No, I can't. It's too far away. Oh, there's some stuff on the side here, though. You said stuff. What? How did I not kill him?
How?
How? Come on.
That should have killed him.
I know.
Okay.
I'm just starting to put music over all my videos. It seems easier than doing audio. Sometimes, you know how you just get lost and you just stop talking?
Yeah.
And you don't realize it?
Yeah.
And YouTube, when you put the music over, it just stops the other audio.
Yeah. You're 9th right now. I swear, there's only 10 players in this game.
Shh, don't tell anybody.
Okay.
The viewers can't know that I'm not MLG Pro.
You're 8th right now. You're 7th right now.
You're 14th right now.
You're 8th right now.
I wonder, how good is the snowball?
Like the microphone?
Yeah. Like, can it hear us from here?
Yeah.
Can it hear you?
Most likely, yeah.
Okay. That's good.
I have a snowball.
I know. I'm the reason you bought the snowball,
Oh,
Mikey.
yeah. Yeah, thank you.
Because I ordered it when I was like 12. And I'm like, I'm going to make a YouTube channel, and had no idea how much work went into YouTube.
Someone's home.
No, come here. No. Ha!
Okay. Oh, you did head-on collision. You won.
Oh yeah, I'm bigger.
That's what she said.
Your name here?
What?
I'm raging. We're going to mitosis.
Okay. What's mitosis? Oh.
You've been awarded 200 free coins. It's like a Gario.
Oh my god, that's so weird.
Run away. No. No. Run away. Oh, no. No. Run away, run away, run away. Come here. You're smaller than me. Come here. Run away, run away, run away, run away, run away, run away, run away. I'm splitting.
Why?
Because I gotta run away. Ah, no! This is gonna make me have an aneurysm.
That's so weird.
Well, you wanna try?
I'm good.
Split, split, split. Come on. Get out of here. Get out of here. Nope. Nope. Run away.
I don't think I have enough to
Yeah,
split.
okay.
There we go.
We can collect more DNA while we're at it, too. Naughty,
He's
naughty.
back together.
Form of cell. Go away. Yeah. Ah!
You got a treasure chest.
Yeah, 4 ghostly spyglasses and plus 10 coins.
Nice.
Oh, that's a nice face you got there.
It's doggy.
You're a doggy.
I know.
You want a Bugatti? You want a Maserati? But where, Bash? Naughty, naughty, naughty me! Like to party. Run, 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 run.
Run, nigga, nigga.
Oh, you can't say that, Mikey.
Yeah, I can.
No, you
I'm
can't.
black.
This is my YouTube video.
I'm black. and
I don't care.
can't go
No,
back.
I'm gonna block you out now.
I'm black. and
Oh no, Mikey, my parents watch this.
Oh.
At least my aunt does. My mom doesn't care.
Oh.
Ah! What is wrong with this guy? He's a money sign.
Oh my.
Ah!
It's awesome. Oh my
Come
god.
here. Come here. Ah, I got one. No, come here. Yep, yep. Oh, I'm too small.
That's what she said.
Mikey. Oh gosh. I'm out of here.
You're not gonna get away from Alex. See?
Ah,
They're surrounding
ah, run away. Split, split. Ah!
you. 2 of them are gone.
Ah, run away. Oh, no. Ah! out of here, man. We're out of here. I'm Batman. Hey, mama, where you go?
The geckos. I hated that so much.
You loved it, Mikey. You know you did.
No, Blake hated it.
No. Yeah, Blake hated it. I let go of the mouse.
Oh my god.
I'm never gonna be number one. Ah! Come here! Better work first! Oh god, run, run!
You're gonna.
Oh god! Oh god, that was hilarious. That's right, fuck up. Ah! Just ate him. Ah!
He's after you.
Come here.
He's after you.
Run away. Nope. Nuh-uh. I'm out of here. Why are you chasing me?
Daddy, no.
Run away!
You're dead.
Help me! No! They're all trying to devour my flesh!
Are you ready?
Oh, are we going on? That was an awesome YouTube video.